What if there was a simple rule, just 1 minute long, that could change your financial life forever? A secret strategy used by the wealthy, while 99% of people completely ignore it. It's not about complex investments or cutting out coffee. It's about a tiny, powerful shift in your daily routine. This is the 1 minute rule. And once you start using it, your money and your time will start multiplying. Most people struggle with money because they struggle with starting. The thought of tackling finances, budgeting, investing, saving, feels massive, so they procrastinate. Small tasks pile up, bills go unpaid, opportunities are missed. That feeling of "I'll do it later" becomes a destructive habit. This mental barrier is what truly keeps people from taking control. The wealthy understand this psychological trap. They know that complexity kills action. That's why they rely on simplicity. So, what is this powerful 1 minute rule? It's elegantly simple. If a task takes less than 1 minute to complete, do it immediately. That's it. No overthinking, no adding it to a to-do list for later. Just get it done. It might sound trivial, but the cumulative effect of these tiny actions is monumental. It's about building momentum, clearing mental clutter, and preventing small tasks from becoming overwhelming mountains. Let's apply this to your financial life. Paying a bill? Got an email notification for a small bill? Pay it now. Takes less than a minute. Checking your balance? Open your banking app, glance at your balance. Less than a minute. Moving small money, transferred $50 to savings. Takes seconds. Sorting mail? Open a financial statement, decide if it's important or junk. Done. Researching? See a stock tip. A quick 30-second search to see if it's worth a deeper dive. Each of these prevents a future headache, saves you time, and keeps you actively engaged with your money. This isn't just about productivity. It's about breaking the procrastination loop and building confidence. First, it helps you overcome resistance. The hardest part is often starting. A 1 minute commitment bypasses this mental block. Second, it builds momentum. Each tiny completion gives you a small hit of dopamine, encouraging more action. Third, it prevents overwhelm. By clearing small tasks, your to-do list shrinks, reducing stress and making larger tasks seem less daunting. And finally, it creates a habit loop. You train your brain to act immediately, forming a powerful habit of efficiency. The rich don't just know what to do, they know how to ensure they actually do it. This rule isn't limited to money. Apply it anywhere in your life. Tidy your desk for 1 minute. Reply to a quick email. Drink a glass of water. Send that one text you've been putting off. Imagine how much mental space you'd free up if all those tiny, nagging tasks simply vanished as they appeared. This translates directly to more focus for your big financial goals. Many try this rule and fail because they make one mistake. They try to fit a 5-minute task into 1 minute. Don't try to do your entire budget in 1 minute. That's a 30-minute task. And don't dismiss tasks as too small. Opening that bank statement is a 1-minute task. Be honest about the task's true duration. If it's genuinely under a minute, attack it. If it's longer, schedule it properly. Consistency over perfection is key here. The 1 minute rule isn't a magic bullet, but it's a powerful weapon against procrastination and financial overwhelm. It's the silent habit the wealthy have mastered to maintain momentum and free up mental energy for bigger ventures. By embracing these tiny acts of discipline, you're not just managing your money better, you're building a stronger, more confident, and more proactive version of yourself. Ready to start multiplying your money 1 minute at a time? Subscribe to the Wealth Code and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next strategy for financial freedom. What 1 minute financial task will you do immediately after watching this video? Share in the comments below.